Hallo zusammen und herzlich willkommen zurück auf dem Kanal. Today we're diving into an essential part of learning German, masculine nouns. In German, every noun has a gender, masculine, feminine, or neuter. And for masculine nouns, we use the article der. Knowing the gender of a noun from the start is super important, especially for A1 level, because it affects how you use the noun in sentences. So, let's learn 25 common masculine nouns, along with their English meanings. Our first noun is der Job. Repeat after me, der Job. Next up, we have der Name. Let's practice, der Name. How about der Platz? Say it with me, der Platz. A very common one, der Bus. Again, der Bus. For wine lovers, der Wein. Repeat, der Wein. For coffee lovers, der Kaffee. Again, der Kaffee. Something you play with, der Ball. One more time, der Ball. In a house, der Garten. Say it, der Garten. How you travel, der Zug. Say it again, der Zug. What about der Bus? Say it again, der Bus. When you are hungry, you might ask for der Salat. Practice saying, der Salat. Moving to the time, der Morgen. Let's say it, der Morgen. Another one, der Abend. Say it again, der Abend. Your pet, der Hund. Repeat after me, der Hund. Something you eat with pizza, der Käse. Practice, der Käse. Your most important one, der Euro. Say it clearly, der Euro. Whom do you live with? Der Vater. Let's practice, der Bruder. Practice, der Bruder. When you are sick, der Arzt. Repeat, der Arzt. All of us need der Freund. Let's practice, der Freund. Something you need to relax, der Film. Say it, der Film. How about der Rucksack? Let's practice, der Rucksack. Specific time, der Moment. Say it, der Moment. A key object on your desk, der Bleistift. Repeat after me, der Bleistift. And finally, you need this for travel, der Koffer. Last time, der Koffer. Super gemacht. That's 25 essential masculine nouns for your A1 German vocabulary. Remember, whenever you learn a new German noun, learn it with its article, der, die, or das. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy German lessons. Which noun was your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. Tschüss und bis zum nächsten Mal.